guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Guess what today is? Today is Stitch Fix Day. I'm super excited about this. I asked her just to surprise me, just keep it cheap, and surprise me what she thought I would like. So in the box, you get your card here, your style card, and then your price sheet. So we open up the style card. Oh, I don't have Nikki anymore. Oh, okay. So this is, okay, I can see why. All right, so, oh, my stylist is away, but she's happy to fill in. This is Lauren R. So I don't think she saw my note to keep it cheap because some of these prices are kind of high, but we'll try everything on. And here is my style card. So here you go. So Nikki's on vacation, and here it is. So let's open the bundle up and see what's inside. Okay, so here we go. All right, so the first item here is this nice white top. Has some spaghetti straps, a little bit of a ruffle, and then it is long sleeve, and the sleeves have little ties on the end. This is cute. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it is Collective Concepts Raffia Ruffle Detail Cold Shoulder Blouse in a size extra small, and the color is white. So you guys can see that if you're looking to buy that. And let's see what this one is. It's $58. It's a little pricier. Nikki tends to send me stuff that's actually on the cheaper side. So the next item, if you watched my last fix, you'll see that I sent back a plaid top. So I'm kind of a little bit disappointed that they sent me this. So we'll see. I mean, this one isn't as wrinkly. It's a little bit longer. And it's blue, burgundy, and white. It fits in with fall. It's kind of cute. And this is the Tinsel Heidi 2-pocket button-down top in size navy, and it's an extra small. Let me show you the ticket. And this is $44. Okay, next item, which is really soft, is a cute sweater. I love this sweater. The material, I thought it was going to be more of a cotton, but it's different. It is cream and I think navy, and on the arms it has these little patch, so that's cute. It's kind of a longer sweater, so we'll see what it looks like when we try it on. This is August Mist Layla elbow patch striped sweater and size extra small. And this is $48. Okay, next, this looks like a skirt. This is also a Stitch Fix exclusive. This skirt has a stretchy band at the back. Looks like some pockets. And the pattern is like a square pattern. It's cute. Something I wouldn't really gravitate towards. See how it is stretchy in the back here, which is kind of cute, kind of nice. It looks like it's black and white, and this is the Skies Are Blue Medalia scallop detail skirt in black, and it's a size extra small. And then, oh, actually the skirt, let's see, that's $48. Last but not least is this off-the-shoulder jumpsuit, I guess it would be. So this is a burgundy, really pretty color. Let me pull you back. Oh, we're backwards here. So it is a jumper, and it has pockets, and at the bottom it's wide leg. So we'll see how this works out. It's really cute. I actually own a jumper that is red, and it's by Kayla Stellan off-the-shoulder knit jumpsuit in burgundy, and it's a size extra small. And it is $64. So let me read my note. The total for the box is $262. Buy all 5 discount is $65.50. And it comes to $196.50. And 2 of you guys use my link to sign up. I really appreciate it. And I get $50 credit, and my total for the box would be $146.50. So I'm gonna read my note here from my stylist. Hi Kristen, happy fix number 30 day. Your usual stylist is away this time, but I'm happy to fill in for her. Thanks for linking to your Pinterest board and leaving feedback on previous fixes. It was helpful. As you requested, I try to keep things as inexpensive as possible. I started with the hottest trend right now, the jumpsuit. The stallion is so comfortable, and the burgundy color will look fantastic on you. Style it with a blazer and flats for work, or with heels and a clutch for a night out. Since you loved the striped top last time, which I did, I thought you would love the Leia as a similar pattern. As the weather cools down, wear it with some distressed jeans and slides. I also included a cute print skirt by Skies Are Blue to wear with the raffia ruffle top. Hope you enjoy the pics for you. XO Lauren R. So I'm missing my stylist, Nikki. Some of these things on here are not my style, so we'll see. So we're gonna get to the try-on, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is the first top. It's cute. It looks really nice with my shorts that I got from Stitch Fix. I like how you can roll up the sleeves, wear it like 3/4 length, or you can actually probably wear it down. The pattern is really pretty. It's really nice and comfortable. I feel like it wouldn't wrinkle if I did keep it. But like I said in my last fix, I'm really not a fan. I don't really look that great in these type of prints. So I'm not sure about this one. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Okay, so next here is this striped top, and with the patchwork here on the elbow. It's really cute. It fits really nice. It's kind of for one of those days where it's kind of cool out, but you can wear it with shorts, or you can wear it with some jeans. It fits really nice. It's really comfortable. So I'm really leaning towards this one. It's really nice. I would have to wear something underneath it because you can actually see through it a little bit, but I really like the patchwork. I'm kind of a fan of that. So this one here might be a keeper. I'm not sure yet. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so next here is the jumpsuit. It's a really pretty color. I really like this. If this was a romper, I totally would buy this color. I actually like it a lot. It fits really nice, but I think, let me bring you guys down. It's a little bit too long for me. I'm really short. I'm only like 5'4". But let me know your thoughts on it. It is really pretty. I just don't like how it sits right here. Like right here and right here. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so here is the white top. It's extremely see-through, and it does have the spaghetti strap, so I'm not sure what I would wear with this. I like how it has the cute sleeves here. But now, like I said, it's really see-through. Not really feeling it. Plus, like it right here, it's like very baggy. If you see that, just like very baggy. So this is gonna be a no. Now I'm gonna bring you guys down, and you can see the skirt. This one is gonna be a no as well. It fits really weird. I don't really like how the elastic is in the back here. It's just not me. I don't really care for it at all. So these two are probably going to be a pass for me. They're really not my style. They're just too much for me. I'm just not into this at all. Okay guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts. So this skirt, this one here, it wasn't me. The way it bunched in the back, it bunched when you wore it. It was just not something that I would wear or go to. Next is this white top. You could tell Nikki was not my stylist. because this is not something that I would wear. So I'm sending this back as well. I'm on the fence about this. This is really comfortable. I know I can wear it to work. I love stripes, so I could wear this with some jeans to work. So this one might be a keeper. I'm gonna put it over here. This top here is a no. I just don't like how it looks on me and fits and feels. And this romper, or not romper, this jumpsuit, it's really cute, but it's gonna be a no. It's just not me. I like the top on it because I do have a top from Stitch Fix that is like this. It's a bodysuit, but no, this is not me at all. It's too long. The color's perfect, but no, I'm just gonna have to pass. So let me know your guys' thoughts before I send everything back. And thank you guys for watching. And click on the link below. You get $25 towards your first fix. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I do Stitch Fix unboxings every week, and love to have you here every week to watch my videos and give me some feedback on what you think you'd like, or if you want these products, just let me know. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.